Speak sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. What happens to your gut health when you eat stewed apples? Break key takeaways. Stewed apples are rich in pectin, which can help support your gut health. Soluble fiber in stewed apples can make it easier to go to the bathroom. Cooked apples are easier to digest, which can be helpful for people with sensitive stomachs. Break stewed apples are trending on TikTok for their potential gut health benefits. Cooking apples can break down their fiber and release pectin, a compound that may support digestion. Break how pectin supports your gut. Break and number 156, cooked apples may offer added benefits for gut health, thanks to the increased availability of pectin, a soluble fiber released during the cooking process. And number 157, Stephanie Johnson, RDN, DCN, adjunct professor in the Department of Clinical and Preventive Nutrition Services at the Rutgers School of Health Professions, told Verywell. Break pectin can be found in many different fruits and vegetables, Johnson said. And number 156, while apple skins contain more pectin than the flesh, cooking apples, with or without the skin, help release this beneficial fiber. And number 157, she explained. Break pectin acts as a prebiotic, which means it is a food source for the beneficial bacteria in the gut, according to Abigail Cullen, Mississippi, RD, CDN, a dietitian at Mount Sinai. Break in order to maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which is associated with improved digestion, immunity, and even mood. We want to have a high diversity of these bacteria, Cullen said. Break soluble fiber may help you go to the bathroom. Break stewed apples are rich in soluble fiber that can help with your bowel movements. Break and number 156, besides supporting a healthy gut microbiome, stewed apples promote bowel movement regularity. And number 157, Cullen said. And number 156, soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance, which can help to bulk stool and increase water content of stool, both of which make it easier to pass. And number 157, she added. Break but if you're having difficulty going to the bathroom, you may want to opt for raw apples. Cooked apples support consistent gut health, but raw apples may make it easier to have a bowel movement in the short term. Break and number 156, because cooking breaks down some of the insoluble fiber in apples, raw apples may be more effective at relieving constipation due to their higher fiber. See less than /speak content. And number 157, Johnson said. Break you can digest stewed apples more easily. Break and number 156, cooked apples are gentler on digestion than raw apples, but both are beneficial for gut health. And number 157, Cullen said. Break cooking the apples softens the fiber, making it easier for your body to break down and process the nutrients. She added that stewed apples are a good choice for people with sensitive stomachs or digestive issues. Break related stories. The everyday foods that help and hurt your gut. The best time to eat yogurt for gut health, weight loss, and stronger bones. You may get other health benefits, too. Break Johnson said pectin also lowers cholesterol by binding it to the digestive tract. This means less cholesterol is absorbed into the bloodstream. And number 156, this type of fiber also supports blood sugar regulation by slowing digestion and the release of glucose. And number 157, she added. Break stewed apples are a good source of pectin, vitamin C, B vitamins, potassium, and antioxidants, including quercetin, Johnson said. Break and number 156, these nutrients each play important roles in maintaining health, including supporting heart function, immune response, and cellular repair. And number 157, she added. Break healthy ways to eat cooked apples. Break and number 156, apples are a nutritious choice, no matter the variety or whether they're eaten raw or cooked. And number 157, Johnson said. But if you want to try stewed apples, you can rev up their health benefits by pairing them with other nutritious foods. Break Johnson and Colin recommended. Break adding stewed apples to oatmeal for more fiber and sweetness. Pairing stewed apples, which are rich in prebiotic fiber, with probiotic-rich yogurt to create synergistic benefits for the gut microbiome. Adding cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, or nutmeg to stewed apples, which contain antioxidants and may benefit blood sugar, heart health, and brain health. Sprinkling on sprouted nuts or seeds to provide healthy fats and a little protein. And rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.